देश के दिल मध्य प्रदेश के मध्य में बसा उज्जैन नगर है। उज्जैन के मध्य
पटनी बाजार में
एक हॉस्पिटल है। जी हाँ, उज्जैन नेत्र चिकित्सालय आई रीडेवलपमेंट सेंटर।
What is your name?
Sarita,
Sarita. From where you are?
Karnataka.
What happened to you?
I can't see
You-
a large distance.
On the first day you was not able to see properly. Okay. What did the doctors told to you?
The doctor told me to improve my vision.
What they told? What's the disease you have?
Peripheral.
So what did the doctor say to you?
After some days, my vision will lose.
Vision will lost totally. What disease they told to you?
Retinitis pigmentosa.
Retinitis pigmentosa (RP).
Yes.
What was the problem you started with?
I can't see side.
Your side vision was reducing,
decreasing.
and lower and upper side also you are not able to see. Initially started with night blindness, isn't?
Yeah.
So as the vision reduces, you tried to many doctors and they told there is no treatment in this world. What they told?
There is no treatment in
Anywhere in the world. So how did you know about Dr. Rishabh Jain?
my auntie searched in YouTube and my uncle all saw in YouTube and they told about
Your auntie and uncle search about me and they told you
treatment here.
to take treatment in Ujjain, Madhya Pradesh. Your second course is completed today and let us see what's improvement you have got. Read by one eye.
C
Good.
L
Second, let's start from last. What is last one? P or O?
O
Yes. Then
A T
P.
P A
A is after P or before P?
after P
After P. A. And before P?
L N.
First one C. Okay. So congratulations to you as you have improved about 60 feet in the left eye and 40 feet in the right eye. As you were on the 6:18 that day and now you are on the 6:9 and 6:6 by the left eye. So congratulations to you. Are you happy with your vision improvement?
I'm very happy.
Okay. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay. Welcome.
7 2 6
Nice.
4 7
Nice.
9 3
Good. Other eye above that. Start from above.
85 2 9 3 9 7 5
What is last?
8 7 5 4
Yes.
6 3 9 5.
Can you see below that or not?
It was blur.
No. Blur is there.
ये X-ray
Yes.
लड़े रहने पर स्वयं न बैठो
Very good. Congratulations on right eye from below.
सदा सदा स्वयं से रहो कभी भी किसी से खड़ा मत करो.
Above that.
A certain had beautiful garden and is the
Right eye.
J5. In certain kingdom once a poor countryman whose name was it was in the middle there was.
Congratulations, you have improved in the near vision also. As in the right eye, you are not able to see any word of Hindi and you are reading 2 lines now. In the maths also, you was able to see 2 lines and you are reading 4 lines now. Okay, so congratulations for this also as you are improved in the distance and as well as near vision. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yes, Sarita, from where you are?
From Kerala.
Kerala. What's problem you had? Side vision totally lost. Okay, when you came here your side vision was only 1.5 inches 1.4 inches.
Yeah.
Okay, now today your side vision is improved and you are on near about 15 inches. This improvement you and the whole scientist of the world can't imagine that such a lost vision from retinitis pigmentosa can improve, isn't?
Yeah.
How do you feel nowadays in your daily life?
Yeah, now I am very happy. Now I am very happy.
You are very happy and what
I'm very confident.
what confidence you got in your daily life?
Yeah, I can go at anywhere single.
You can go in the market single, okay, and
yesterday night also I can walk by my own.
you can walk alone and can you climb the stairs
Yeah.
easily?
Yeah.
Okay, and can you take eat food normally as a normal girl?
Yeah.
Previously, all these things you are unable to do properly. Congratulations, for all the improvements in your body and your eyes. Yes, Ramya, congratulations to you.
Everyone who had problem like me, please come and take treatment here by Dr. Rishabh Jain, Ujjaini, Madhya Pradesh. You can get 100% result here.
This is really a happy Republic Day to you.
Yeah, it is very happy.
Because this happiness won't come within the 2 months. They have to struggle years and years.
Yes.
Dice pigmentosa.
इसमें आंखों के पर्दे व नसों में खराबी आ जाती है। रात्रि में कम दिखाई देने से इस रोग की शुरुआत होती है और जीवन अंधकारमय हो।
क्या नाम है आपका?
सरिता।
सरिता जी, देखिए आज आपको क्या दिख रहा है? 12, वेरी गुड। सरिता जी, आप कहाँ से आए हैं?
केरला।
केरला से आए हैं और आपको आज 100% इम्प्रूवमेंट हो गया है। आप फर्स्ट टाइम आए थे, कितना महीना हो गया आपको आए?
Only 1.5 inches I can see now.
जब आप यहाँ आए थे 1.5 इंचेस सरकमफ्रेंस थी। यू आर टेकन ट्रीटमेंट फॉर कितने दिन आपने ट्रीटमेंट? जी, आप पिछले साल दिसंबर में आए थे, दिसंबर 18 में, और ये दिसंबर आने वाला है, 1 साल होने वाला है आपके इलाज। 1 साल में आपको 100% विजन इम्प्रूव हो गया है। पेरिफेरल विजन मात्र 1.5 इंच आपका पेरिफेरल विजन था, जो बढ़ के 100% हो गया है 20 इंच। बहुत सारी बधाई हो आपको। आप सभी लोगों को बताना चाहेंगे क्या हुआ है, अब आपको क्या लाइफ में क्या चेंजेस आ गए हैं आपके?
When before taking treatment,
Can't you say in Hindi? No. So when you came here 1 year back, you was totally near about blind and only you was able to see 1.5 inches in the peripheral vision, and now you have improved 100%. It means 20 inches you have got peripheral vision within 1 year of course. So how do you feel about that?
I'm very happy because now I can work individually. I can make my work individually without taking any help. Before that, I need help from everyone to do my work only. Now I can make my work easily, and in night also I can walk by my own. Now I feel very happy, and for climbing steps and climb down the step, it feel very happy before taking treatment. Now it is improved. I can walk by my own. So I am very happy because of the doctor Rishabh Jain in Ujjaini. He gave nice treatment, and I am very happy for that. Now I am very happy.
What was your disease?
My disease is side vision, RP, color blindness, night blindness. Almost every disease in eyes I have. But
So you was having the most common incurable disease
Yes.
of the world, that is called retinitis pigmentosa, RP, and second incurable disease was color blindness. So you have improved 100% in the retinitis pigmentosa. Peripheral vision improved 100%, distance vision improved, as well as near vision also you have got 100% now. Then second achievement you have got your colors. You are able to see the colors now. 80% of the plates you read properly. So how are you feeling about when you are able to see the colors?
yeah, it was very happy. I am happy.
What changes you feel in your life? In the selection of the dresses, the selection of the
Yeah, I feel happy to do everything. What color I can sew. I am very happy to select everything.
you are not able to see the rupees. What is the color of the rupees? You generally you feel that what is there. Now can you see the rupees?
Now I can see.
The easily.
Yeah.
Which color of note is there? Which color of
Orange,
rupees?
green,
Orange.
pink.
Yes. All you can differentiate.
Yeah.
And the matching of the dress.
Yeah.
You don't need your mother now.
No.
Where this happened?
This happened in Ujjaini by Dr. Rishabh Jain.
Where is Ujjain?
Ujjain is Madhya.
In Madhya Pradesh, in Ujjain city, you have got treatment and cured of retinitis pigmentosa as well as color blindness.
Night blindness and side vision.
Everything cured. And what can you say to the people of the world, those are suffering from retinitis pigmentosa as well as color blindness?
Please come here and take the treatment. Here everyone got 100% cure for incurable diseases. So please come here and take the treatment. I will sure about if you follow what the doctors say correctly, you will got 100% cure for every sin eyes.
Every disease of eye are reducing and getting cure.
Cure.
So the person, those are suffering from the retinitis pigmentosa as well as color blindness and other problems, what the other doctors say to you?
Yeah, in Bangalore, Mysore, they told after some days you will lost your eyesight. We can't do anything. It is helpless. They told. Then I saw about Dr. Rishabh Jain, Ujjaini, Madhya Pradesh. Then I came here and I take the treatment. Here I got nice treatment, and now it was improved and improving. It was improved.
So nice treatment with a nice result.
Yes.
And you have got cured. So will the other people get this type of result?
Yes, sure.
Those are hopeless and thinking that they will be blind. What do you think about yourself when the doctors say you that you will be blind after few years?
Oh, I didn't know. My mother got to know that I will become blind. She didn't told me. After some days, after I am came here, after she know that it was incurable diseases, she told me that doctors say like this. Then I feel was crying. Then now I am very happy because my eyes will be improving.
Your eyes are improved
Yeah.
like other normal person,
Yes.
and you are able to do all the things those other people do,
Yeah.
other of your colleagues do. Do you join college again?
Yeah.
Hmm?
Yes.
Are you confident in the whole college and your life?
Yes.
What do you think about your life now?
Yeah, now I can become independent for myself. I will do my work by my own. Yeah, if I am alone also I can manage myself.
Yes. Now you enjoy your life
Right,
alone.
Yes.
Okay. This is the most important thing in the life, to do enjoy with your life and your work. You can do anything without the help of any person
Yes.
independently. So congratulations to you and the other people, those who are suffering from retinitis pigmentosa. They are hopeless and they are thinking that what will they do, because in the largest hospital, Institute of India, they used to go and they told the result is zero. They can't do anything. You will be blind after some years. What do you take? What do you want to say to those people? Those are hopeless now.
Oh, don't become hopeless here. Please come to Jaini, Madhya Pradesh of Dr. Rishabh Jain. Here everyone got treatment for RP, color blindness, night blindness, everything. Uncurable diseases you will be cured for some days. So please come here and take treatment regularly without miss. Then you will got nice result and you will only become very happy about your.
Thank you very much, Sarita, and congratulations to you and your family, and happy new year for the future and happy life for you that God given you here.
Thank you.
Yes, Sarita, you are from Kerala,
Kerala.
and your parents from
Karnataka.
Karnataka. So you know Malayalam or Karnataka? Which language?
Kannada is
Say the people what problem you had, and after how many treatment you got this relief.
ನನಗೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ವಯಸ್ಸಿಂದಾನು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ RP ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೆಟಿನೈಟಿಸ್ ಪಿಗ್ಮೆಂಟೋಸಾ, ಕಲರ್ ಬ್ಲೈಂಡ್ನೆಸ್, ನೈಟ್ ಬ್ಲೈಂಡ್ನೆಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇತ್ತು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅದು ಕ್ಯೂರ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ತುಂಬಾ ಕಷ್ಟ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವರ್ಷ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದಿನ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಿನ್ ಕಣ್ಣೊಂದು ದೃಷ್ಟಿ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಏನು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಕಣ್ ದೃಷ್ಟಿ ಕಳ್ಕೊತೀಯ ಅಂತ. ನನ್ಗೂ ತುಂಬಾ ಬೇಜಾರಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದಿನ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಧ್ಯಪ್ರದೇಶ್ ಉಜ್ಜಯಿನಿಲಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರಿಷಬ್ ಜೈನ್ ಅವರು ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅನ್ಕ್ಯೂರಬಲ್ ಡಿಸೀಸಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಣ್ಣೊಂದು ಡಿಸೀಸ್ಗೂ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದು ಈಗ ನನ್ಗೆ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾದು ಕ್ಯೂರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಈ ತರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇದ್ರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರಿ ದೂರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
You have got 100% treatment and 100% result. You have got 100% peripheral vision and near about 100% cure and the color blindness. So what will you say to the people of the patient, people those are suffering from retinitis pigmentosa as well as color blindness?
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜೈನಿ ಮಧ್ಯಪ್ರದೇಶ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರಿಷಬ್ ಜೈನ್ ಅವರು, ನೀವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದನ್ನ ತಪ್ಪದೆ ಪಾಲಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ನಿಮ್ದು ಕಣ್ಣು ಸರಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
As you got tremendous result, what you will say to the people of the world?
Yeah, in everywhere there is no
English.
In everywhere there is treatment, but I am proud to feel that in India, in Madhya Pradesh, Ujjaini, we have treatment. So I am proud to be here. I am proud to take treatment here. So I am very happy.
Can you say to the people of the world?
Yeah, in people of the world, I am saying that in world there is no treatment, but in India the research got successful by Dr. Rishabh Jain Ujjaini, Madhya Pradesh. So that the research got successful. So please come here for taking
So
treatment.
have you feel proud of in Indians?
Yes, I am very proud to be Indian, and here also I am saying very thankful to Dr. Rishabh Jain for for doing this research and make everyone living eyes for living eyes is more important. So here we got nice research and success. So I am very happy.
Can you say India is number one
Yeah.
in search of this disease, incurable diseases?
Yes.
What?
India is number one. That is also in Ujjaini, Madhya Pradesh by Dr. Rishabh Jain. He got nice successful by doing this research. I am feel proud.
So the treatment of retinitis pigmentosa and color blindness is now 100% successful, and we Indians have proud that we have searched this treatment of curable diseases. What do you think about the treatment and research?
In India, that is in Ujjain, Madhya Pradesh, for RP, color blindness, that is incurable diseases. Here, the Dr. Rishabh Jain got nice research and he done a research and he gave nice treatment. So everyone got nice, successful. That the people who don't have eyes can take their vision.
Those are having eyes but no vision in that
yeah.
eye.
There
Bulb
is-
is there but fused bulb was there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Those who don't have vision, they got new life by coming here, by taking treatment. You will got nice successful by taking treatment.
Okay, congratulations to you and all your families, members, and all the persons those are suffering from retinitis pigmentosa and going in the hell like that they are blind. Every time they think that they will be blind after few years. That darkness of the mind is stopped now.
Yeah, will become a new life for colorful.
New colorful life for the whole world. And without eyes, everything is black. So the darkness of the life will finish. If they come, then come and take treatment. Okay, thank you.
देश के दिल मध्य प्रदेश के मध्य में बसा उज्जैन नगर है। उज्जैन के मध्य
पटनी बाजार में
एक हॉस्पिटल है। जी हाँ, उज्जैन नेत्र चिकित्सालय आई रीडेवलपमेंट सेंटर। यहाँ पर उज्जैन और उज्जैन के बाहर से आने वाले लोगों को नेत्र के लिए बेहतर इलाज करने की सुविधा दी जाती है। नेत्र चिकित्सालय में मशीनों द्वारा नेत्र की सफाई और नेत्र ज्योति बढ़ाने की सुविधा उपलब्ध कराई जाती है। आम लोगों के लिए ये व्यवस्था की गई है। उज्जैनी नेत्र चिकित्सालय।